smart substitution. It's actually, if you did the previous lesson online to this one, you would see that it's actually the same learning goal, and because it's essentially the same skill. Okay. The only thing is that we're going to have x equals instead of u equals, and you'll see from the couple of examples that we have here how it works. So let's get on with it. Okay, so here we have this, and you can see already that it's not u equals something, it's x equals something in terms of u. But we're going to follow the same procedures that we did the whole other way. So we set up our page and we go for it. So I'm going to go rewrite this. X equals u squared plus 1. So that means dx du equals 2u. And I need to make dx the subject, so that's pretty easy. Dx equals 2u du. All right. So that will be my substitution for this case in the future. I want a lighter highlighter. There we go. The next thing I want to do is I need to, I don't need to rearrange for this guy because we already have it here. I need to actually rearrange for this guy. So let's see what we can do and see if we can get something. So I'm going to move that guy down there. So if I get u squared, I'll use a different color. U squared equals x minus 1. Ooh, that's getting really close to this guy. Oh yeah, if I square root both sides, I get therefore u will equal square root of x minus 1. Okay, so that's a really smart substitution right there. So I'm going to use that in a sec. But the next thing I want to do is change my boundaries. So I'm going to go when x equals 5. So I could probably use this guy here. All right, so when x equals 5, u equals, so it's going to be 5 minus 1, square root of 4 is 2. So when x equals 2, u equals 1, because can you see what I've done? 2 minus 1 is 1, square root of 1 is 1. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, please ask. And now I'm set. So I'm going to get started. Let's go. So my new boundaries are now 2 and 1. And instead of x, I can put u squared plus 1 at the top of the fraction. And at the bottom of the fraction, I can simply just put u. All right. But I have this situation where I have 2u du instead of dx because of this guy here. Ooh, that works really into my favor because I can cancel those out there, those u's, because I was a bit worried about that. So we've got 2, 1, and what I'll have is 2 bracket. Actually, I'm going to move that u to the front of the integration because I can do that. So that's going to change things. So let's move 2 at the front. So we just got u squared plus 1, all with respect to du. And let's just go with it. I think I can integrate it already. So I'm going to go 2 bracket. It's going to be u cubed on 3. And then the next one's just going to be plus u. And our boundaries are 2 and 1. So let's do that. 2, big bracket, smaller bracket. It's going to be 2 cubed over 3 plus 2 minus 1's just going to be a third plus 1. Now, when we sort all that out, it should end up being 20 over 3. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Let's go to the second example. And we're going to set up our page again. Really important, this setup. And we're going to get started straight away. So we've got x equals u squared minus 1. Dx du will equal 2u. So it's very similar to the, that's dx there. It's very similar to the previous one. So dx equals 2u du. Awesome. The next thing we'll do is I need to sort something out for that. We're going to use the same process as we did in the last one. got u squared equals x plus 1, so therefore u equals square root of x plus 1. And now I'm going to do my boundaries. When x equals 3, u equals what? It looks like it will be 2. When x equals 0, yeah, u equals 1. So it looks very similar to the last example, which is good because we can do it really quickly. So we're going to go 2, 1, and then we've got u squared minus 1 over u. And then we've got this situation here for dx. So we've got 2u du. It looks very similar to the last one, so I will fast forward it. Let's see how we go.
Got up this morning, got out of bed, went to the kitchen, ate some breakfast.
Hopefully that helps. Peace out.